Give me, yeah, there's nothing here though. Give me one more pump, Stiffle. All right, good.
That's it, that's it.
Okay, give me some rivets.
And where would those?
Hopefully they work the way they're supposed to work. Let's see, I haven't used a rivet gun for a long time. Working from underneath is a little bit bullshit. It's a bullshit job working from the bottom.
Are you allowed to swear on your channel?
Yes, my channel is a
Adults only?
adults only.
Well, then you should get some bikini babes on it too.
Oh, that thing fucking crunched, but let's go. Where's the rivet? Why isn't it popping out? Well, that's going to be a little bit of bullshit. Let's try this one. Get in there, man. It's not fun working like this.
Yeah, you just have one guy line it up upside down, the other guy just grab it from the top and squeeze it down.
Working like a hillbilly.
I feel like
With a few union guys standing around watching.
Crap.
There's a much easier way to do this.
Frickin' knuckle. Son of a bitch. Ow. Alright, gentlemen. We got the Sport Cats here. Plus today we did the side skirts. If you ask me. Side skirts and the front splitter.
That'll piss off the neighbors.
Installed, yeah. It's all about pissing off the neighbors. I think those look pretty good.
Close the valve.
Yeah, so it sounds a little quieter. That's the wife mode. There they are. There was a light. That's your becoming mode. Wife mode. Oh, you're becoming mode. Huge difference with the valves open and valves closed.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man.
Alright guys, well, job is done. The front splitter is on. which I had done that, you know, a couple of weeks ago anyways. That's the easy part. Just 21 screws underneath, just unscrew and rescrew. That's about it. These side skirts were a little bit harder, but you know, always have, like, you know, have yourself some brews, you know, because they always come in handy. That's you know, gotta have a couple of those on hand. And really, it's you need a couple of people to help you out there, and those knocking those rivets off, whatever, a little bit harder than I thought, but whatever. Got it done. Trim them up. Everything is installed nicely. I think it looks pretty good. I like that side skirt and the 5VM package, but this is painted carbon flash metallic. I think it's called the 5W8 from the factory. But 5VM is carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber. But yeah, she's ready. Now, you know, in another, I'm hoping another less than a month now, get my insurance back on and start driving, because I really miss being in this thing. Plus, I want to go out. I was gonna take some rips on the road today because it was like a nice day. It was dry, and I wanted to get some passes, you know, with the cats, sport cats, like with full, you know, full throttle going through them, and just see what they sound like under load. But didn't happen. That's okay, you know. Have another beer. So take a sip there. And but yeah, that's about it. I'll the weather is supposed to be looking nicer, and as soon as it gets to the point where I can bring it out, like I said, I'm hoping for April 1st. So not too long ago. What is that? 3 weeks. So let's hope for the best. And I want to get out there, because I miss driving this beast. Plus, now I got the Aero on there. I got the Sport Cats. I just want to go out there and be loud and just go. Anyways, take it easy, guys. Talk at you later.